as you can see in the previous video, we picked up a Fiesta, got it on Facebook Marketplace, a few £100. Picked it up within 20 minutes of it being listed. It's really tidy, it really drives well. It just needed a good clean. As you can see, there's a couple of mechanical issues. There's a wheel bearing, you can hear that inside the car quite loud. Can't really pinpoint where it's coming from, I think the back. So we're going to diagnose that in another video. In this video, we're going to just change the oil, give it a good service. The back box is corroded and it's just snapped off, so we're going to change the exhaust. The boot release button is not releasing the boot, so I don't know if it's a solenoid or it just needs a fuse. We'll check that out. That's about it really. So we'll see how this video goes, and then on the next video we'll diagnose and replace this wheel bearing, and hopefully we get the right one and it's sorted. Hello. Right, first job was to replace this back box. It's snapped off here. Ooh. As you can see. So I undid the clamp and then I just couldn't be bothered with anything else, so I just got the grinder out and just chopped a big line down it and just pulled it off. No messing about. So that's done. So just going to put the new one on now. Clean this up a bit, put some paste on, slide it over and put a new clamp on. Done. Hello, I'm on the ground. Right, we replaced the big box. I chopped it off with a grinder, as you can see before. We just said there, just put a slit down it, and then we just put some exhaust paste and slid it on, and then put a new clamp on and nipped it up. They were 13mm bolts on the clamp, and yep. All the rubbers were still good, so no need to replace them. So yeah, we'll move on to changing the oil now. Right, so the oil filter is here. It's very sunny, so I don't know if you can, yeah, you can see that. It's just there. There she is. Can you see it? Yeah, here. It's good to just take this duct off to get access, but the filter's there anyway. This engine takes, according to the Haynes manual, 3.8 litres of oil. Make a note of that. The coolant looks pretty clean on this. It's been done not so long ago and it's at the right level. I've checked the power steering fluid, it's okay. I've had a look at the level of the brake fluid, it's okay. I haven't tested it for any sort of water ingress or anything, but driving it, I give the brakes a good test, and they're not spongy at all. They're really solid, and we've got a lot of pad and a lot of disc on the front, so I think
It's been done properly not so long ago, so don't worry about that. Air filter, I've had that off, it looks really clean. Battery terminals all nice and solid. Screen wash, I haven't checked that, but I'll throw some in there. Give the engine bay a good wipe over. Drive belt's alright. So yeah, don't look too bad on this side of it.